How to change the color of the hair in GIMP. First, we need to open the image where we wish to change the color of the hair. Click on the file, click on open, and find the image where you wish to change the hair color. This is the image. Give it a few seconds. So to change the hair color, first thing you need to do, you need to click here and you need to create a new layer. Preferably, give it the name of the color in which you wish to change the hair color, to make it easy for you to navigate through layers. So here you can simply type blue in this case, or you can simply click here and then click here, fill with, choose transparency, okay? And then click here on OK. Now you need to click here and I will choose blue color. Click OK and now click here on bucket fill and then click here anywhere on the image. And now this is blue. Next, right click here on this layer and then click here on add layer mask and choose black full transparency. Click here add. Now when the color is gone, what you need to do, you need to again click here and you need to choose white, click OK, and then here you need to choose black. Okay, so now you need to click here on brush and you need to choose paint brush tool. And now you need to paint hair, okay? White color will give it the paint and black color will remove the paint, as you can see here. So I will switch again on white and now all I have to do is just paint this hair, okay? I will do something like this, okay? Try to be as precise as possible. Okay, so next you need to click here where it says mode. Here you can see normal. I will click here and here you can choose one of these two options. One option softer is LCH hue. Click here and here you can see how this looks. Second option is much harder, so you can choose here, for example, HSV hue. And now here you can see hair is darker. So this is how you easily change the hair color in GIMP.